What's up, guys? My name is Dalton, and today we're going to be talking about where you can find missed call text back. GoHighLevel does keep changing this. It used to be under the business profile tab, and then they moved it to phone system, which used to be phone numbers, but now it's phone system. So they just keep changing it up. So I just want to put a relevant video up in case you had some trouble finding it like I did. This is just recent, just within the last couple months. So I just want to kind of show you guys in case you're looking for the easy missed call text back feature for your small business, or maybe you're helping a sub account set up, this should be the video for you. So let's go ahead and jump in. So once we're in our phone system, we've gone to settings and then we've gone down to phone system once we're in our sub account. And from here, we can see our phone numbers. And then once you're A2P compliant, that means that you're able to send text messages without being A2P 10 DLC compliant. And you under the sub account are not able to send any text messages via this phone number that you bought. So once we're in our phone system, we're going to go over to voice. And from here, we're going to go to voicemail and missed call text back. From here, this is where you can set out the duration. Doesn't matter. We don't need the voicemail. We don't need missed call text back. So right here is where we can enable it. And then here is also where you can change your message. And they also have a test feature in here that if you put a phone number in, then you'll be able to see what the message will look like. So location name, just to be full transparency, that is the name that is on the business account. So, hey, this is, I think it's the actual company name. Let me double check. Yeah, so sorry, not the name of it's the name of the business that'll show up there. So for us, it's Big Sky. Hey, this is Big Sky Automation Services. I saw we just missed a call from you. How can we help? And then you can hit save, and you can test phone number, and it'll show you the language. But other than that, I just want to basically make a super simple video and showing you guys where you can find missed call text back in the weeds of GoHighLevel. Thanks.